You have to present vaccination proof. You brought your vaccine thing? Let's go. Fuck this right here. Swedish meatballs with the We're going in IKEA. They don't know the camera's on. There's lockers and an ATM. There's video ATM there if you need. You need it or no? You don't. You can just change money. You don't need to use your money. Oh. There's the bathroom. Swedish restaurant. It's candles. But see how I said like all these showrooms, they're all set up like this. Like it's set up like how a real room would be set up. See? That's how they display all of their stuff. Showroom 1 through 9, let's go this way. We can see them. Look at the Christmas. So then, all the smaller items you can just pick, right, with the bags and everything. The bigger items you get the number and you go down to the warehouse, and then that's when they pick them up. See? So it's like how they set up a bedroom. You can pick up like each piece. So look at this. Wow. The kitchen. Can steal a bunch of ideas for you. See, so these are so a lot of times they'll put totals of everything that's in the thing. See, so that room, everything in it would be less than 28,000.
Doon sa kabila.
Look at that room. Come in here for photos. We're gonna go to IKEA and take photos for face and Instagram. Look at this closet. You saw the camera, she backed out. Babe, look. Put like socks. Rings. That's a nice closet. And then I like the shower in there. Baby crib. Look at that kitchen. Babe, you know our kitchen is bigger than that. We could put all that stuff on our kitchen. But babe, look at this. So with the rack, you can just hang different items that you need on there. See? I could organize so much stuff with that. You need one of these. It's made out of bamboo. Oh, found a mirror. I really like that kitchen. Right?
Dear customers, send a reminder to please take care of your personal belongings while you shop. Thank you.
You can put stuff inside it, like your pillows and your... You can do.
Ay nako. Wala, sige, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So these are the ones that you can design your own chair. So it basically shows you the frame, and then you can select like what pattern you want, what color. And then they do that with tables also. I see a panda. Let's see if you can find it. If you look at that, that would be nice for like an ugly or a YouTube game. Of the painting? Look at it, see just a tiny room is Yeah, we're gonna circle around that way. We'll go this way first.
Dun sa wall, lagyan mo ng ganyan.
Here's the kitchen.
It's okay.
I want a desk like that. Wait, let's check your painting. I don't know how they did that though.
Ito, kita mo, ganyan, no?
But see how they did.
Yan, no? Diba?
It's like the big painting on the wall, right? But see, they hung the frames without a picture. So it makes it look like a picture. Right?
Kaso makapal.
Look, they even give measurements of the room. Like if you're wondering how big the room is. Babe, right here. So it shows what like the size of the room, right? And then it shows what's on the wall. Yeah, that's how they did that. That's cool though. I want hooks like that. In the room. See so we can do hooks and then do like shelving. So like kind of like
It doesn't take that too much space in the room.
I like all this shelving. Because I have all my stuff on the floor. You see. No. It's 200 pesos. That's cool, huh? Dude, that's a cool idea.
Like Korean thing.
Stay here. I like that chair. Never mind, I thought it was a picture frame that we could put our stuff in. Do you want to be Juan or Pilar? You want to be one or pillar? Babe, look at those sinks. Those are pretty sinks. Dude, look, it's like a storefront. See? And look, they made it kind of like a fitting. See, there's like a thing in here. I like this shit. That looks comfortable.
Yeah.
Storage unit on casters. Oh, so this thing's on wheels. That's cool.
Super wrinkled.
It's alright. See, that kind of shit looks good wrinkled. Dude, look at this chair. It's those, you know those chairs that make you sit up straight? Look at those tables.